Ano ang sabi? Today, nandito po tayo sa GAC Motors Cainta para ma-feature natin ang isang kotse na worthy of your attention. Dahil sobrang impressive po niya in so many ways. Kaya tara pag-usapan po natin ang 2023 GAC MPAW. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Sa compact sedan segment, is almost everywhere. It's either you only talk about the Honda Civic or the Toyota Altis most of the time. Meron din naman po mga ibang brands na pwede nyong i-check, pero bottom line is, the reality is, sa compact sedan segment, ang mapapansin nyo nowadays, during these times, they command a high price. It is right up there. Gone are the days na less than 1 million makakabili ka ng kotse sa ganitong segment. Kaya pag ito ang tina-target mo na segment na kung saan mo balak bumili ng kotse, sobrang lalim ang pag-iisip na gagawin mo. You want to have it with quite a bit of what you are looking for on a compact sedan. May mga listahan ka dyan na sigurado non-negotiable para sa'yo. It has to look good, comfortable, spacious, convenient, high-tech, and of course, reliable, which all of them are nowadays. Kahit karamihan sa mga car buyers, they sought after mga crossovers or SUVs, but there's still a big portion of the market that love this segment, and they still prefer to cash in on a new unit dito sa compact sedan. Well, ganun po talaga, to each its own, kung alin ang kotse na may appeal sa'yo, and considering na sa ganitong segment, siguro money is not an issue for you, they would not settle for anything less on what they feel they deserve. And when you know you deserve the best, but at the same time, you want something a little different, yung tipong gusto mong sumubok naman ng iba sa market. Pero at the same time, andun yung feel ng pride of ownership, andun yung confidence na ibibigay niya sa'yo. Yung masasabi mo na pag ginagamit mo siya araw-araw, pagpasok mo pa lang sa kotse, masasabi mo na, I love this car. At sa usapang I love this car, as I look and check this car, I can't help but be amazed of what GAC has done to build this car. Every angle, curve, accent, yung overall look, masasabi mo na may sarili siyang yabang. May forma na serious about what it has to offer. Yung front fascia niya, ang serious talaga ng look para sa akin. Mas sporty ang dating niya kesa more on elegance. Ang sungit ng shape ng LED headlights niya, may nakalagay na JAC lighting, ayan po sa gilid. Dagdag sa forma din eh. Yung front grille niya, masasabi mo na isa ito sa magagandang shape ng design na nakita ko. Hindi overly designed, hindi siya sobrang massive, and at the same time, sobra din na naiaambag sa character ng kotse na to. Yung shape ng accents na bumubuo sa front fascia niya, hanggang dito sa baba sa may fog lamps, it is all well designed together, na kung iisipin mo na this one we're featuring right now is the base model. Kaya being the base model, masasabi mo na ito pa yung medyo kalmado ang dating sa kanilang tatlo. Sa side profile naman, dito sa Ivory White Edition, it seems to look bigger para sa akin. Okay din yung design ng profile ng wheels niya kasi ito po naka 16, 17 yung sa next model sa mid variant, and then 18 sa top of the line. May mga lines at accents na makikita. Manonotice mo na keyless entry po siya. Side mirrors niya, ang ganda rin ng design. May pagka-carbon fiber po at turn signals po niya, may indicators din. At isa pa sa gusto ko dito sa MPAW is naka-fastback design po siya. It reminds me of the Mazda 3, and it is good to note na hindi po sila nagkakalayuan ng presyuhan ng Mazda 3. Kaya masasabi mo na isa yan sa mga direct competition niya. Both of them look premium and both of them really look good. Speaking of elegance, dito sa likod, eye-catching agad yung taillights niya. May sequential design po yan. Dito sa likod, the car looks big para sa akin. Kasi nakakadagdag pa dyan yung dual exhaust look niya. Aesthetics lang po yan. Hindi po talaga yan na exhaust. Pero po sa top of the line, yun po talaga ang exhaust niya. Naka-dual po siya. At pag tinignan po siya dito sa likod, talaga masasabi mo na the car looks fast. Ewan ko, ang design niya po kasi dito sa likod, for me, nagagandahan po talaga ako ng sobra. Kaya pakiramdam mo, it just wants to go forward and really fast. Yun nga po, it does tend to feel that way kasi po naka-fastback design siya. Overall sa design, masasabi mo na all out ang effort na ginawa ng JAC, from hiring the best people behind their design team that create this wonderful looking vehicle that they are offering to us. Speaking of offering, punta na tayo sa engine niya. Kasi ang engine specs po ng this segment, especially sa mga magagandang kotse na ganito, it has to impress you. Engine niya is a 1.5 liter turbo petrol, produces 174 horsepower, 5,500 RPM. 7-speed wet dual clutch transmission po siya. And for me, 174 horses is more than enough para masabi mo na talagang very fast at responsive yung kotse na to. Yung nasa ibabaw po ng engine na yan po yung kanyang intercooler turbo. It has its own cooling system na may reservoir po dyan sa gilid, kaya ginagamit po niya ay coolant. And from what I know, limitado lang po ang alam ko sa mga technical aspect ng mga engine, pero kitang-kita po sa kabuuan ng engine bay niya na halos lahat ng section, halos lahat ng pwesto, min-maximize nila sa iba't ibang components ng engine na to. Kaya I am sure that they created an all-around very good performing engine para dito sa MPOW. Interior naman, pagpasok ko dito, napawaw agad ako kasi to think that this is a base model. Kasi po ang mid variant niya is the GB, top of the line po niya is the GE, at itong GS base model, the seats here at the back, napaka-komportable. I mean talagang everything you see and feel, comfort ang mararamdaman mo. Ang spacious din po. At yun nga po, being a base model, nothing much that is offered here at the back. Medyo nakaka-disappoint din, wala po siyang sariling AC vents, but it is okay. Kasi sure ako sa lawak ng interior niya, makakaikot po yung malamig na hangin mula sa harap sa buong interior ng kotse na to. The door panels, may power button, cup holders po andyan. Ang ganda rin po ng design ng door panels niya yan. At malalaki po ang mga pinto niya pag bumukas, napaka-generous po. Pagdating dito sa harap, dito sa driver seat, talagang lalo ako napawaw sa MPOW. I mean, mahirap mapaniwala na this is a base model. The way everything was conceptualized and designed, alam mo na JAC really took the time to create such a wonderful interior. Soft materials are everywhere. Yung diretso na streamline na design ng dashboard, very executive ang feel niya. Alam mo yung pakiramdam na you are sitting inside a very classy car. And it is all ergonomically designed. It is like, alam mo na, there is a lot to see and understand with all the high-tech controls you have around you. Pero ewan ko, sitting in the driver's seat of this car, payapa ang isip ko. I just feel relaxed. Ang lamig sa mata ng design at textures. At ma-impress ka talaga lalo na sa instrument panel niya. Yung mahaba po na yan sa harap. Magkasama na po kasi ang infotainment system niya na naka-Apple CarPlay at ang instrument cluster niya. Yan po ang highlight ng interior niya. High-tech looking at magagets mo na madaming menu to, mga features, dyan po makukontrol, especially lalo na sa mid at top of the line variant. Sa may bandang gear selector naman, napaka-stylish din. Very simple yet modern. Andyan sa paligid niya yung iba't ibang controls, safety features, at nakakatuwa rin na hindi po nila ginamitan ng black piano accents. The seats are power adjust. Steering wheel I assume is very light kasi naka-electronic po yan. Naka-tilt lang po ang adjustment at kahit hindi siya leather wrapped kasi available po yan sa top of the line variant, sporty pa din ang dating niya yung design niya kasi naka-flat bottom po siya. And sitting here on the driver's seat, the view you have is very good. Kahit alam mo na mababa lang ang kotse na to, ground clearance niya mababa lang, pero maganda po ang suspension system niya. And looking at everything I see here, maintindihan mo na kung bakit ganito ang presyuhan na meron ang JAC MPOW. Although base model lang po to, may mga impressive features na meron siya. Well, andyan po ang electronic stability program, hydraulic brake assist, hill start hold control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock braking system, electronic parking brake and auto hold, tire pressure monitoring system, engine immobilizer, and ISOFIX child tethers. Just to name a few. At dito po sa JAC Gateway Cainta, available po ang mga latest models ng JAC cars, SUVs nila, at ito pong MPOW. Ito po yung pricing niya sa tatlong variants. Meron din po silang ino-offer na 0 down payment. Kaya pasyal na po kayo dito. Dito lang po sila sa Ortigas Avenue Extension. Lagpas lang po ng konti ng SM East Ortigas. Sa pagtatapos, kung napansin nyo all throughout the video, I always use the term impressive. Kasi you really have to be impressed with the package that JAC offers for the MPOW. With all that this car has to offer and the guts to go up against the tough competition on this segment, masasabi mo na confident talaga sila sa product na ino-offer nila. And it is almost on that same price range ng kanyang competition. Ibig sabihin lang niyan that JAC is telling you that what they can offer, we can offer too. And that we are worthy of your attention. And the investment that you will put in to buy our car is definitely worth it. Kaya naalala ko tuloy yung isang sikat ng kanta ng ABBA habang tinitignan ko yung kotse na to. Na paulit-ulit nagpe-play sa utak ko. Na parang kinakausap ka ng kotse at sinasabi niya sa'yo na, take a chance on me. Ito po ang 2023 JAC MPOW. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Drive safe. I'll see you on the next one.